We've got to be in balance with the other team. This one's all about weight. Weight is a measure of how heavy something is. In this game, small dinosaurs weigh a little and big dinosaurs weigh a lot. This means big dinosaurs weigh more than small dinosaurs. Click on the dinosaurs to add them to the rope. Click on them again to take them off the rope. The most dinosaurs you can add to the rope is 4. Add dinosaurs to the rope until the weight of your team equals the weight of the other team. Remember, the most you can use is 4. You'll know the two sides are equal when the leaf is right above the dinosaur's head. So close he can eat it. Our team is too heavy. It needs less weight. Click on a Way to go, team! We did it! There's one round left. Our team is too heavy. It needs less weight. Click on a dinosaur to take him off the rope. Remember, our team is too heavy. It needs less weight. Click on a dinosaur to take him off the rope.
The Claw Stars get the gold!
We've got to be in balance with the other team.
Click on me to fly and catch sticks. Click on me to fly and catch sticks. Okay, I'm ready to fly. Hey Jackson, let's try out our new wings with a game of toss and catch. That sounds fun! Catch! Use the arrows to fly up and down. Got it, your turn. Catch! Keep practicing to learn new tricks. Just a little more practice and I can learn a new trick. I did it! Practice pays off! I'd better stay away from the mosquitoes. Collect these to do a trick. Barrel roll! Look here to see how many sticks you've caught. Boy, barrel! Loop-de-loop! Okay, go long! Look out for storm clouds! Loop-de-loop! Barrel roll!
Around in the drill train to search for fossils. Here we are! Try to find all of the fossils hidden in the loose dirt. Use the arrow keys to dig with the drill train to uncover the fossils. There are 7 fossils in this area. Let's find them all. Watch the fossilometer. The brighter the meter is, the closer you are. The drill strength meter shows how much more we can drill. If it runs out, we'll need to return to the surface for repairs, so keep an eye on it. When the fossilometer is lit up, it means there's a fossil around here somewhere. Did you know minerals form naturally in the earth and are made of the same thing all the way through? Look, there's a mineral over there. We can collect minerals to strengthen the drill so we can drill farther. Watch out, our drill is wearing down. We better hurry up and find all the fossils. Keep digging. Hardened dirt takes longer to dig through. Watch out, our drill is wearing down. We better hurry up and find all the fossils. Hey, there's a troglobite. Troglobites are creatures that live in dark caves. Maybe it'll know where we can find some fossils. Uh-oh, our drill is almost worn out. Is there a mineral nearby? Yay! You found a fossil. Now let's find the rest of them. Oh no! Our drill is worn out. I guess that's all the fossil hunting we'll do today.